just a part. To advance an entire scheme that had to do with the president's political and personal interests over national interests.
This is a coordinated monthly test of the broadcast stations in your area. Equipment that can quickly warn you during emergencies is being tested. If this had been an actual emergency, such as a winter storm, flood, or tornado, official messages would have followed this alert tone. Stations of the South Dakota Public Broadcasting Network serve all operational areas of the state of South Dakota. This concludes this test of the emergency alert system.
I thought it was curious that they made statements saying, calling the manuscript different items. Well, if we want to hear what Mr. Bolton's convictions were and conclusions were, let him come forward and testify. I did not hear a single argument other than delay about why you wouldn't bring somebody who was in the room, who's got first-hand knowledge that could clear a lot of this up.
Thanks, Senator.